Casago Myrtle Beach's Ocean Dunes 4155 renovation is complete, and the transformation is stunning. The penthouse now delivers a luxury experience from top to bottom. This 1,760 square foot penthouse features 3 private balconies, 10-foot ceilings, and sweeping oceanfront views from the 15th floor of Ocean Dunes Tower 1. TripAdvisor's 2020 Summer Travel Index ranks Myrtle Beach the number 1 U.S. beach destination and number 3 overall, just behind Las Vegas and New York City. Near 75th Avenue, this luxury condo offers easy beach access and peaceful surroundings. Top spots like Barefoot Landing and Tanger Outlets are minutes away. Casago Myrtle Beach manages more than 400 properties with a 4.68-star Airbnb rating from over 900 reviews, bringing professional polish to your vacation rental stay.